Hey you guys, it's Miss Miller. I just wanted to do a quick video to sort of show you how to get set up online, get your computer ready for some online learning. So I'm going to make sure you can see my screen here. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have Chrome set as your default browser. Now the reason you want that is because we're going to be using Canvas obviously every day, and most of your classes, if not all of your classes, will be on Canvas. So you want to make sure that it's working with the most compatible browser, and it seems that Chrome is definitely the best. If you try to go through Internet Explorer, I'm not even sure if that will end up working for you. So let me just go ahead and show you here. So if you come to, I don't even know what this is, this little icon down here. Now I will tell you, I'm not a super techie person. There are some things I know how to do, and I might go about doing it maybe the longer way, but it's just how I know to do it. So just bear with me. Somewhere on your laptop there should be a way to get to the settings, and we want to go to, I think here at apps, where it says uninstall defaults and optional features. So I'm going to click that, and let's see, I'm going to go to default apps. Again, we want to make sure so you have your email, that's going to be your Office 365. I don't really care about any of this other stuff. Okay, so you'll scroll down here where you see web browser, and if you click it, it gives you all of these options. So this just means that anytime that there's a link or something, that when you click it, it goes through a certain browser, and you want to make sure that Google Chrome is set as your browser, because otherwise, if you try to go through Canvas through Edge, which is what your, well, not Explorer, but Edge, I think that's what your default, like your computers come default with, it just won't work. It won't open the documents the right way and stuff like that. So make sure Google Chrome is your default. Also, I would highly recommend when you open Google that you go ahead and pin it to your taskbar. I mean, I'm sure it's over here, so that really doesn't matter, but one thing I love about organizing my desktop is the fact that I can pin things to the taskbar here that I use really often. One thing I want you to do is make absolutely sure that you have the snipping tool available, and that's just going to be so helpful for when it's time to start making pictures that you're going to submit, or you know, if you ever need to save just a little bit of material, this will be helpful for you. So right here at your search bar, just search the snipping tool. You know, because we're going to be graphing a lot this semester, and if we're graphing online, it may be that you want to put your graph into a Word document, and sometimes copying from Excel to Word or from the internet and pasting somewhere else, it can be difficult, but with the snipping tool, it's super easy. So we're going to go ahead and open the snipping tool, and basically what it does, you can press new here, highlight whatever you want, and then you have a picture. So I mean, say that was a picture on Google Images or something, and for some reason the way that it's formatted or something just won't copy and paste into the Word document that you need, or it won't copy and paste into the presentation that you want it to. With the snipping tool, as long as you can see it on your screen, you can snip it, and then you can save it as an image. So what I want you to do with the snipping tool is go ahead and right click down here, and we want to pin that to this taskbar, so that way we always know where it's at, and it will be there for us every time we log on. Now once you open the snipping tool, let's say you got the picture that you want, you can copy, and then you can paste it right into an email, paste it right into a Word document, whatever you need. This, of course, will save it. And right now, while we are setting up our computers, we're going to go ahead and set up folders to save. So I want you to open up your 365, your Office 365, and make sure that you go ahead and pause this video, and you can take time to do that. If you want to put this video on a different tab or something, do that so that we can set up your stuff. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Microsoft Office stuff. Okay, so if you go to Office 365, again, you should be able to get here through your Launchpad. Here we have, if you're just at Office 365, let's go to this little waffle here. All these apps are available for you, and they're really great. You have your email, of course. You have your OneDrive, and that is where we're going to be saving all of our material. So I want you to make sure that you're comfortable using OneDrive, and you will have Excel, all of this stuff available to you online on your school device. So that's good. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go to our OneDrive. So obviously, you know, I use my OneDrive a lot, so you're going to see a lot of stuff here. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is up here, it's very user-friendly. Okay, we're going to upload a new folder, and I want you to do this. I want you to create a folder for physics. So you're going to add a new folder, and then you get to name your new folder. Let's name this, I'm just going to call it Physics Demo Folder. Okay, you need to name it your physics folder so you know it is always there for you and easy to find in your OneDrive. So we're going to create a new folder. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down to where I can find that new folder right here. Okay, and notice it will be blank. So from here, what I want you to do is go ahead for our first unit. We're going to add a new folder within the physics folder, and let's name this new folder Mechanical Equilibrium. I'm sorry, I'm getting a lot of messages here. If any of you guys play Borderlands, I'm getting a lot of legendary weapons. That's your little ping for legendary stuff on Borderlands. Love it. I just beat Borderlands 3. And my stinging husband bought them all for the Switch too. We played it on the Xbox, but he bought it for the Switch, so he's playing Borderlands 2 all over again. Okay, not that that matters. Alright, so I didn't name it, so I need to go back here. Let's add a folder in a folder. Again, you can call it Unit 1, Mechanical Equilibrium, whatever you want. Okay, so now I have a new folder in my physics folder. Now the reason I want you to have your own physics folder is because, you know, you guys have 4 classes and it's all online. So there might be, you might want to do this for every class, but I definitely want your stuff in a physics folder. I won't look at this. It's just a way to know that you are organized. So Mechanical Equilibrium is our first unit, and this is where you can save all of your files. So here I've taken a picture of something, I have it emailed, and what I want to do is save this to OneDrive. Okay, this is actually some of your work, so this is good. Let's say I want to save as. This is what you will do. You'll go from your email, you'll go to save as. Now down here you should have a OneDrive, Greenville City Schools right here, and you're going to find your physics folder. This would be my physics demo. And I'm going to go in my first unit, and I'm going to name it something, lesson 1, assignment, you know, whatever you want to name it. And there it is. It is saved for you. This is where you will save all of your documents, so that way when you are ready to submit something to Canvas, you go to upload, and then you'll come right here to your OneDrive, and there it will be. So hopefully this helps you get set up for our class as far as organizing your device, please don't skip this step. It will be very helpful to have everything organized as you go. You will be uploading a lot of information throughout the week. I will talk to you guys later, and hopefully I'll get to see you all in the classroom soon. Okay, bye.